My name is Kirsty Davies Chinnock. I'm the Managing Director of Professional Polishing Services Limited. I was really pleased to be named one of the top 100 by the manufacturer this year, 2023. I've been doing this for 34 years, won several awards, but the top 100 slightly different because it's by people who know about manufacturing, know about the challenges, the highs, the lows, and know that we are so integral to everyday life, but that a lot of people just don't see it when we go about our day-to-day business. As a woman running a manufacturing business, I've been quite vocal as I've got older about encouraging more and more women into manufacturing. It is such a wonderful sector to work in, but it's quite often perceived as very male dominated, and yes it is, but that doesn't mean there aren't some brilliant women carving exceptional careers for themselves and also cheerleading and championing the next generation coming through. COVID in 2020, that was very scary. Nobody knew what would happen. And since then, we've lurched from one crisis to another. The war in Ukraine, the cost of living crisis, the energy crisis. Now we're looking at the tensions and the war in the Middle East. And we have to remind ourselves that we cannot affect these awful situations. We can only focus on what we can change. That doesn't mean we should ignore them, of course not. But manufacturing in the UK has been resilient and will be resilient. And as long as we continue to strive to innovate, whether it's reducing our energy consumption, whether it's doing what we can do to help people who are coming to the UK as refugees, everything that we can do as a manufacturer, as a human being, we have the power to make the UK and indeed Earth a better place. That's what manufacturing and engineering does. It finds something that's broken, it fixes it, and it makes it, quite often, it makes it better.